Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials right. Check that your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, because many scanner features depend on modern APIs. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services. These let the phone probe networks and access signal metadata. Next, sign into your Apple ID so you can download a dedicated Wi-Fi scanner app from the App Store. This sequence moves you from zero to ready. It ensures the app can scan, map, and save results without permission problems. You now install and configure the scanner app. Pick one with strong ratings and reasonable privacy settings, because it will request location and local network access. After installation, grant location set to always when prompted, allow local network access, and enable background app refresh to let scans run while you move. Then open the app and choose scan parameters: passive for minimal disruption, active for deeper info, set channel lists, and a scan interval. These choices determine data quality and battery impact. You perform the scan next. Launch the app and start scanning while walking the area. Watch SSID names, RSSI values, channels, band 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz, and security types to locate interference and weak spots. Once done, export logs as CSV or KML for mapping, or take screenshots for quick reference. If you see no networks, try troubleshooting, toggle Wi-Fi, reboot the phone, recheck location and local network permissions, or install an alternate scanner app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.